A surge of COVID-19 cases is happening across the nation, the state, and the Central Coast. Health officials say this trend is related to the reopening of more businesses and Memorial Day weekend festivities. KSBY's Megan Healy joins us live in San Luis Obispo to break down the cases and what you can do to help stop the spread. Megan?
Well, Karina, as we're seeing more and more businesses reopen, some people may think that COVID-19 doesn't exist anymore and will let their guard down. But public health officials say when that happens, the virus can spread more easily. And the Central Coast is now seeing the impact to younger populations and a higher chance of spread at home and in the workplace.
COVID is still very much a threat to everyone.
Public health officials are reminding people to keep their guards up as COVID-19 cases spike. In San Luis Obispo County, about 100 new cases were reported in the last week.
These case counts are going up more quickly than we're used to. This is not completely unexpected. We are reopening our community.
As of Thursday, 10 people are hospitalized, with 3 in the ICU.
We remain in a good position with our hospitalizations.
But hospitalizations are up in Santa Barbara County, where about 26% of active cases are in the hospital, and an average of 60 new daily cases in the last week. Health officials say these rates are the highest they've seen since the beginning of the pandemic. Health experts believe most people are contracting it at work or home.
The way people likely catch this is from being in close quarters with other people who are breathing.
She says the rise of cases is not only due to a rise in testing, but also increased prevalence in the community.
Who needs hospitalized is simply who needs hospitalized. It's not really, vulnerable to how many people we test.
Dr. Robertson says it may be weeks before we understand the impact of people's actions today.
We've had a Memorial Day holiday where we know a lot of folks have gotten together. We just had Father's Day this weekend, and Independence Day is coming up just around the corner. But it's just really important for folks to recognize that the virus is still here. We're still at risk. And so use common sense.
Now, Santa Barbara County is on the state's watch list to make sure that hospitalization rate doesn't go up. Now, at this point, county leaders say they don't plan on scaling back businesses that have already reopened. Instead, today, issuing a health officer order to move forward with opening the personal care services. Reporting live in San Luis Obispo, I'm Megan Healy, KSBY News.
Megan, thank you. Health officials urge people to social distance, wear masks, wash hands frequently, avoid touching your face, and stay at home when you feel sick.